Frida, the making process. Our glassmaker Andra is cracking off and heating a piece of color, over which he will gather the molten glass. This glass bubble is then blown into a wet wood mold to create the shape of the vase. The evaporating water fumes give the glass a smooth surface. Now the mold will be opened and the final shape revealed. Andra straightens the base, and finally the shape is cracked off the iron for Hansa to put in the layer for a 12-hour cooling process. The glass is taken from hot shop to cold shop, where top and bottom are sanded and polished. Dana is now making markings on the surface for the final cutting process. Lastly, Dana's husband Pavel, the master on the diamond wheel, makes many accurate freehand cuts to give Frida its final touch.